Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 233, number of digit 1. Given an integer n, count the total number of digit 1 appearing in all non-negative integers less than or equal to n. So if we have 13, we're going to have 1, it's going to have 1, and then 10 is going to have 1, so 2, and then 11 has two ones, which is going to make it 4, then 12 is gonna have 1, and then 13 is gonna have 1, so a total of 6 ones, and n is equal to 0, it's gonna be 0. So for this one, what we're gonna be doing here is basically we're gonna like a sanity check would be, what if the n is less than or equal to 0, right? If the n is less than equal to 0, we're just gonna return 0. Okay, we're gonna initialize few things. We're gonna initialize our q, which is gonna be equal to n. How many, like because every single time we're gonna be dividing the q by 10, so it's a quotient. And then x, which is equal to 1. This is where we're gonna be multiplying. It's a factor of 10 every single time. This is gonna get multiplied by 10, and then the answer, which is we're gonna initialize to 0. uh, do We're gonna keep doing it while our q, which we initialize to n, is still greater than 0, and in the end we're gonna be returning the answer. Okay, inside the do, yeah. Okay, so first thing is we're gonna check the digit, like what is the rightmost, the least significant digit in this queue. So for that we're gonna say that the digit is equal to q modulus 10, right? And then the q is gonna get divided by 10 every single time, and then the answer is gonna be answer plus equals to q multiplied by x. So every single time we're gonna be saying that the x, which is like the multiplication factor, and then the like where we are, and then the q, which is gonna be equal to that number, but then every single time we're removing one least significant uh, like position of that, so every single time we're dividing it by 10. So that's gonna be the answer. And then we have two things. What if the digit is equal to 1, and the other one is if the digit is greater than 1. If the digit is greater than 1, then what we're gonna be doing is, like, we're gonna say answer is equal to answer is gonna get added, like x is gonna get added to the answer. Now otherwise, if it is equal to 1, we're gonna say that q is divided by 10, and then the answer plus equals to q multiplied by x. So we are actually multiplying the x again and then adding it to the answer. Sorry, if it is equal to 1, what we have to do is, actually what we need to do here is n modulus x plus 1, and x multiplied by equal to 10. Every single time we're gonna be multiplying x by 10, so it is increasing by the power of like 10, 100. So it is gonna get multiplied by 10 every single time. Let's see if that works. Okay, answer is gonna get incremented. I think this is wrong because yeah, we just need to divide the q by 10 once, and the answer is gonna be plus equals to n modulus of x plus 1. Yep, and it works.